Welcome to Beyond the Sky, where science meets wonder.
What if I told you that one of the most powerful machines ever built by humans has sparked fears of creating a black hole? A black hole so dangerous that some people believe it could swallow the Earth itself. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this fear is real, and it has one name behind it: CERN. CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, is home to the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, the largest and most powerful particle accelerator ever created. Buried deep underground near the border of Switzerland and France, this massive machine smashes tiny particles together at speeds close to the speed of light. When news of these extreme experiments reached the public, a shocking question began to spread across the internet: could CERN create a black hole? To understand this, we first need to understand what a black hole actually is. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. They usually form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. These cosmic giants are found in the centers of galaxies and are millions or even billions of times heavier than our Sun. So how could something like that possibly be created on Earth? The idea comes from advanced theories in physics. Some scientists predicted that if particles collide with enough energy, they might briefly form something called a micro black hole, an incredibly tiny version of a real black hole, far smaller than an atom. This possibility sounds terrifying, but here's the key truth. Even if micro black holes were created inside the LHC, they would be completely harmless. Why? Because according to Stephen Hawking's famous theory, black holes emit energy, known as Hawking radiation. Tiny black holes would evaporate almost instantly, disappearing in a fraction of a second. They wouldn't have time to grow, consume matter, or cause any damage at all. In fact, nature itself performs far more powerful experiments every single day. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles from deep space, constantly collide with Earth's atmosphere at energies even higher than those produced by the LHC. These collisions have been happening for billions of years. If they could create dangerous black holes, Earth would not exist today. So why does the fear continue? Because black holes capture our imagination. They represent the unknown, the mysterious, and the ultimate power of the universe. Movies, conspiracy theories, and sensational headlines often exaggerate scientific ideas, turning complex physics into frightening myths. CERN's real mission is not destruction, it's discovery. Scientists at CERN are trying to answer some of the biggest questions ever asked. What is the universe made of? Why does matter exist? What is dark matter? Are there extra dimensions beyond the ones we know? In 2012, CERN made one of the greatest discoveries in modern science, the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. This discovery helped explain why matter has mass, deepening our understanding of reality itself. Every experiment at CERN goes through years of safety checks, independent reviews, and global scientific scrutiny. Thousands of scientists from around the world agree on one thing: the Large Hadron Collider is safe. The truth is far less scary, and far more fascinating, than the myth. CERN is not opening a doorway to destruction. It is opening a window into the deepest secrets of the universe. So the next time you hear someone say that CERN will create a black hole and end the world, remember this: science is not something to fear, it is something to understand. And sometimes, the most powerful discoveries come not from fear, but from curiosity.